How much do I make? Do I make millions? Do I make thousands? Do I make hundreds a day? How much do I really make? We're just gonna kind of talk about this right now because a lot of people have been asking me this and I want to be completely transparent with you guys. I don't want to mislead you guys or anything, so let's just get into it. Alright, so how much do I actually make? Right now it is noon, January 2nd, and I have already been doing very well for this year. I'll just show you guys. So this is how much I've made for January so far. It's almost $1,000 already, so that's pretty solid considering it's not even 2 days yet into the year and I've already made almost $1,000. I'll break 1,000 by the end of the day, but I've already made almost $1,000 and it's January 2nd, so that's pretty solid. That's about, you know, an estimate. We'll just say I make $1,000 every 2 days, so 500 a day. 500 a day is $182,000 a year, so that's pretty good. But what are my goals? I mean, you guys probably watched my goals video. I want to make $500,000 this year, so in order to do that, I would have to make a little over $1,000 a day. I think it's like, I believe 1,300, let's see, times 365, yeah, or let's just say 1,400 times 365, yeah, so like $1,400 a day, and I know that's definitely doable for me. But let's just break this down, like where I'm making all this money, okay? So most of this, I'm not gonna lie, I'm making a lot of money with cryptocurrency right now. I'm making a lot from, as you guys know, how I sell my FAQ pages and all that stuff, my promotional comments and stuff. Those links will be in the description. I make a decent amount with those as well. I also make a lot of money reselling things. Like, people don't get how much money there actually is to resell stuff. Like, for me, I probably can make an extra $5,000 to $10,000 a month just on reselling things. I buy Xboxes sometimes and resell them, and it's like, here's a good example. So I bought an Xbox One X, brand new. I bought it for $275 from my plug who gets me some dope stuff. I spent $275 for it, and I turned around and flipped it, and I sold that for $220, and then I also got an Xbox One S, like new, as well as 2 controllers, like, you know, as a whole bundle. So I came out green, probably like almost around $200 for that whole transaction, so I was pretty content with that. And I just do stuff like that all the time, but I don't know, most of the time I just don't like putting in a ton of time to do things because I really value having a good time in life rather than just working all the time. Like, while other people are working all the time, I work minimally. I invest in crypto because it's genius, because you can seriously make money without doing anything. It's getting kind of hot, so I took off the sweatshirt. But cryptocurrency is so passive. But if you guys want to get started with cryptocurrency, I'll have links in the descriptions for where I invest and all that stuff, and I have other videos coming out for that stuff. But crypto is really awesome. It's really a simple way to invest your money. It's very volatile, but there is risks in it, so always know you can lose your money, so only invest money that you're willing to lose. Obviously you're not going to lose it, but just always know that that's a possibility. Well, I wouldn't say you're not going to lose it, but there is a possibility of the price of Bitcoin dropping, which means that you would not make money and stuff along those lines. Like today I just bought, I think $400, or you know, yesterday $400 in Bitcoin. Yeah, I just bought $400 in Bitcoin, and I can't show you the thing, but yeah, so I'm just always investing in cryptos and stuff like that. I've looked at other coins and stuff, and they're all super interesting. I'm going to get more heavily invested into cryptocurrency when I turn 18, but you know, this is gonna be a short video, guys. I make about $1,000 every 2 days, and that's, I haven't even added in my YouTube, which I make like a decent amount with YouTube. It's pretty cool. I did not know that. I made money and then I checked one day and I was like, oh cool. It's pretty solid. But that's kind of it for this video. It was very short. I really don't want to take up too much of your time just to talk about how much I make and where I make my money. If you guys do want me to make a video on like how to make this much money a day passively, or how to make this much money a year passively, let me know in the description, because or in the comments, because I'm doing it as we speak. I'm making money passively. Even if I'm not working, I still will wake up to money. It's so awesome. Like today I woke up to $500 just in my bank from that, and I wasn't even working or doing anything. So it's pretty cool. I really enjoy working online, and it's honestly awesome. So if you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments below. But with that being said, hope you guys all enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Obviously, I'm just trying to be transparent with you guys and show you guys what's up with my life and all that stuff. And $1,000 every 2 days is pretty solid for a 17-year-old. I mean, I don't really do much, so all I'm trying to make money to do right now is to play video games and have fun in life. And making $1,000 every 2 days, that's more than enough to live a pretty comfortable life. But I'm not content with that. I'm gonna be making quite a bit more in the later weeks and months, but it's not, you know, it's all progress, and I have huge plans, so it's gonna be awesome. But with that being said, I will talk to you guys. I think I'll make another video today, so see you guys in the next video, but peace out. Have a good one.